Today you're going to learn how we can use ChatGPT to do very valuable research when it comes to search engine optimization. We're actually going to go through this with a really useful example. Now, search engine optimization is important if you want to capture organic traffic for what people are searching for. And this isn't going to be a video that's going to go through all of the things that you need to know about when it comes to SEO. Instead, we're going to focus on generating keywords and therefore creating content that's going to match what people are searching for. And the best way to highlight this is to use an example and to go through what I normally do when it comes to SEO research using ChatGPT. So let's just go straight in here. I put this into the prompt. I say, I have an app that teaches the piano through interactive content. I want to create a blog and YouTube channel that focuses on search terms that will attract people who want to learn the piano. Could you give me 10 broad categories of articles that I could write based on attracting those learning the piano? Make it specific to search, as this is what I want to focus on. So this is a couple of important steps here. Remember, when you use ChatGPT, it's important to get the prompting correct, to get the best type of output. So what I'm saying here, first step is to get 10 broad categories. This gives you like the overview of the types of content you can write about. And what I'm also saying is make it specific to search, as this is what I want to focus on. What they've come up here is really good. So we can just go through a few of these to give you an understanding about how to do this. And obviously you can do this as well based on what you're doing. So if you have an AI app that helps people come up with really good ideas, then you can say, I want to create content based around this app. So what it's done here is the beginner's guide to playing piano. That's the first one. Piano practice tips, piano theory essentials, piano technique improvement, reviews of piano learning tools and resources. And as this was going through, I was thinking, oh yeah, you can do that. You can talk about different types of resources and tools you can use. You can do this as well, song tutorials and sheet music breakdowns, inspirational stories and interviews, music composition and improvisation for pianists. So what we can see here is just a general idea of the type of content you can make. Then it's up to you. You can say, okay, I want to do all of these. I want to focus on 2 or 3 of these to begin with. And know that as you are creating content, things are going to evolve over time. But you have your 10 general categories here. The next step is to choose one and then to ask for subcategories. What I said was this: let's dig deeper into number 6. Could you now give me 20 subcategories for this topic? Could you put these into table format so I can copy them into Excel? And I'll explain why we're doing that in a second. So what it does here is it came up with the 20 subcategories of reviews of piano learning tools and resources. Now, when I was going through this, I was also thinking, well, the blog could then turn into an affiliate blog, because when you do this, you can then link to apps on the App Store and gain commission if those apps are open to that when you recommend them. Just something to think about too. But basically what we have here is 20 more subcategories of that first broad category. Okay? And it doesn't stop there, as you'll see in a second. But we have here digital pianos and keyboard reviews, piano learning apps, online piano courses, music theory books, sheet music resources, etc., etc. Now, you probably know what I'm going to do next. I said, thank you. Could you now create 20 keywords / article titles for this one? Piano learning apps. So what we're doing, we have the general categories, the broad ones, subcategories, and then we can dive deeper into articles. You can then dive even deeper as well, because with search engine optimization, it's important to go after the long tail keywords, in addition to just things like piano learning apps, which is really competitive. So then what it did was it broke down 20 keywords and article titles that could drive search engine traffic to your blog or YouTube channel. So you can see here, top 10 piano learning apps for beginners in 2024. Best free piano apps to kickstart your musical journey. 5 best piano apps for kids, make learning fun. We can go learning to improvise, top piano apps for creativity. What we're doing is we're going deeper and deeper into the long tail keywords, where we're not just saying learn piano, we're not just saying learn piano apps, we're saying piano app reviews, which one really teaches you to play? Or from classical to pop, versatile piano apps for every genre. Then you can also think, okay, I can probably do another 5 articles based on this, where you say, can you give me 5 articles that focus on specific genres for piano apps? And then we can also use ChatGPT for research, but that's not what this video is about. Now, I talked before about the Excel. What I like to do personally is to take subcategories, take articles like this, copy and paste them into Excel, or you can use an app that can do this for you automatically. And then you can highlight them in bold or mark them off when you have created that blog post. It's an easy way just to keep track of all the different articles that you can write about. Now, in order to use search engine optimization for an app, you need an app to begin with. You need an online presence. That's where we can help you. If you go to nocode.mba/courses, there'll be a link in the description, browse through the different courses that we have when it comes to building with no-code tools. So we have the complete guide to Bubble, the ultimate guide to Figma, building apps with AI, which is 8 hours in total, and this is a new topic. We'll go through everything like Webflow, Google Sheets, Airtable, learn the fundamentals. And then if you look at the different specific courses, it's things like build a job board site like Indeed and Webflow, where you can go through step by step about how to use Webflow in order to build a job board site. So click the link in the description to look at the different courses. And then if you're interested, consider signing up. Now, if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, like this video if you found it useful, and then share it with a friend. Thank you so much for watching. I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.